Okay, this is lesson 18. We're going to start out by reading the directions, which say, draw the following values on the place value charts as you think best. So this can be a lot of different ways. You could use either the place value discs, you could use the quick pictures, pretty much you could use whatever you want. I'm going to use, for the first example, I'm going to use the place value discs. So if I read this, it says 119 ones. I know that I'm going to write 100, and now I'm going to write 19 ones. Okay, so when you look at that, guys, is this a real efficient way of doing it?
No.
What do you think would be a more efficient way of grouping this? Ryan?
To use a 10 and 9 ones.
Okay, so he says to use a 10 and 9 ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle 10 ones, and then I'm going to put a line through it, saying, no, we're not going to use these ones. We're going to change this into a 10. This is the most efficient way to show it. You have 100, you have 110, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Okay? You could also do this. Let's do it together, kids, also with quick pictures. So we have a square, which is the quick picture that represents 100, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, is this the most efficient way to show this with the quick pictures? No, it's not. So we could take, again, these 10 ones, put a line through it, and put a rod, which equals 110. Here is another way you could show this. You could show that this is the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. You could do it this way too. You have 100, you have 0 tens, and you have 19 ones. Is this the most efficient way to show this? No. So you could circle this 110, cross it out, and put it here. Right? Okay, so with that said, you get to choose whichever one of these ways you want to use to do the rest of these problems. And any way that you choose is going to be the right way. Okay, so we went over the first part of the place value charts. The kids have tried many different ways on doing it, and they have to, at the end, order the numbers from smallest to greatest. I did tell them when they're finished, they need to write the value of the place value chart down here, the number value, and then they can order it easier. Now here, when it says order the following from smallest to greatest in numeral form, there's 3 things you gotta pay attention to. The word order. They know that they need to put something in order. Smallest to greatest, because this changes. Sometimes they might want them to order it from greatest to least, or smallest to greatest. And then finally, number form. Number form is this form. These are not in number form. This is not in number form. So the kids know they have to go back and make sure that this is in number form. They know that this is word form, this is place value form, this is expanded form. Now they know this one is in number form, so they don't have to do anything to it. Once they figure out what these forms are, then they can go back and order it. And here again is very similar. It says order the following. Now here's where it's going to flip, because they're used to going smallest to greatest. Now they have to go from greatest to smallest. And then again, they have to do it in number form. So here they have to solve this and this in order to put them in from greatest to smallest. This is how it's changing now. And that seems to be all the homework for lesson 18.